do a little scrape with
No
it.
way.
What do you call it?
Yeah, now Rainbow is interested. Hey, quiet.
Yeah, you got into a
Walking.
golden retriever once. Poor golden retriever.
The golden retriever is not the bird. The bird is not injured.
The bird was chasing the dog. Once he tried to
It's talking to
I
you.
think he was.
you know.
Of course, I've never seen him with a parrot. I don't know what he would. He's gentle with cats.
Come here, Major. Come here, big guy. Come on. Dad, come here. You're on call here. Come on. Let's go. Step up. I said step up.
Yeah, quiet. No. Quiet. Yeah, too curious. Oh, he's going to bring the bird to the dog.
Hey, settle down.
Stranger, sit.
It's okay. He's not going to hurt you.
Leopard.
He would try to play, but you know.
Leopard.
There's still a lot of puppy in there.
Yeah,
I think.
he's only a year old.
A lot of puppy in that one.
But you know, yeah, he's gentle with cats and dogs and kids, but we haven't ever played with a parrot.
To the end.
This is Major. He's been my best friend for about 30 years now.
Oh wow.
This is,
Come on.
that's a dog. You like dogs? What does the doggy say? What do you say to the dog?
Go
You
away.
say sit or stay there.
Go away.
Come on. Come on. You have to see.
Come here. What? 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 Yeah, rah, 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 rah. Oh, you're going to sing?
sing
Go
a
la la
song.
la 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 la. La 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 la. They're like 2-year-olds. You can't make them talk. But when they want to, then you can't shut them up either.
One Howings.
But he likes little kids. I'll trust him with a 2 or 3-year-old before I'm 10 or 12-year-old.
Monica.
Yeah, it's like they know.
We have a 10-year-old too. With grandma. He's probably more dangerous with the dog than with us. You need a drink of water, maybe?
You see him? You want to hold him?
Sure.
If it's okay with your dad there.
Sure, it's fine.
Now you got to think of it like you with strangers. You don't like strangers touching you, do you? Well, neither does he. But you can put your arm out and you can hold him. Now he's a little heavy, and he's going to make sure your arm can hold him. But he isn't going to hurt you. Let me put it this way: he could, but in 30 years he never has anybody. I think your dad wants to get a picture of you with him, so I'm going to go over here because he's, kind of Dad. Look over this way. Get a picture of you with the bird. He's going to go up on your shoulder, but that's okay. He won't try to get you. Yeah, he's heavy, isn't he?
Yeah.
You got anything there? Or?
I do.
Okay, come on. Yeah, don't try to pet him. Like I say, you don't like strangers touching you. It's kind of the same way.